Yes. Four things. Intellectual property. बहुत सुना होगा आपके पास प्रॉपर्टी है. You have house. You have this much of jewelry and something like that. But intellectual property is something else. It is the intangible asset which you cannot measure in terms of weight or rupees. Intangible. So, and that intangible asset has been created out of your brain. So that's why it is a. वो आपको एक बहुत अच्छा लेक्चर लिखा है, ये पढ़ लीजिए. बहुत मिनट कुछ मत कॉपी करो, सुनो, मजा आएगा. ठीक है ना? And the lecture which I have given, it includes everything almost. इतना भी आपको ज्ञान होगा, then it is sufficient. So any property which has been created out of your intellectual asset, by an individual, and you have created a property, intangible asset, but you have not protected it. What does it mean? Tomorrow somebody else will take. You might have heard somebody has made something, but the guru or the under whom he was working, he has taken everything, the ideas, all those things, and this happens. So it has to be protected. Even these all different kind of research in different domain, it has been copied by someone else, and the credit goes to others, not the person, those who have really developed. And this happens not in India, throughout the globe. So that intellectual asset should be protected, and that is your right. That is called intellectual property right. So if you have developed anything, it has to be protected. If it is protected, you are the beneficiary. So, and that protection can be in any form. Patent. बहुत वर्ड सुनते हैं आप लोग, पेटेंट ना. So patent, what does patent mean? It is a new product or process. Any new product and process which have a inventive step, means the art which was not known, through which it has been developed, and it has the industrial capability, means commercial viability. So patent is the most important and one of the strongest IPs. There are two types of words you might have heard. One is IP, intellectual property. Another is patent, copyright. So it all comes under the IP. So patent is the strongest IP in India. Okay. Then other is copyright. As a scientist, many amongst you, they don't know how you can have the copyright in your system. All procedures which you develop, they had the property of copyright, but we never do that.
Thesis also.
Everything is copyright. So copyright is basically any literary work, musical, artist, whatever is there. So that comes. Then trademark. In whole of the ICR system, NAR system, people are very less aware about trademark, but trademark matters. I am wearing this jacket, just I remove this one. Value is 0. The moment you put, and so that is the value. So it is a very distinctive type of marks. Yes, I wear a this something like that. It comes to. मैं आपको कुछ एग्जांपल भी दूंगा. Like then design. आप इस हॉल में बैठे हैं, you are sitting in this hall. You see everything is. You see how they look like, how it look like, how this look like. This all are design, all are IP. But आपने भी कुछ नहीं किया, हमने भी कुछ नहीं किया. चश्मा है, डिजाइन है, इसका ये डिजाइन है, ये डिजाइन, सब डिजाइन है. All are IP. I will show you कैसे IP. Then another is geographical indication, GI. Now बड़ा पॉपुलर हो गया बंगाली रसगुल्ला, उड़िया रसगुल्ला, दार्जिलिंग टी, so it means a credit which belong to a particular place, geographical indication. Okay, दार्जिलिंग टी, कैमरा टी, शैम्पेन, something like that. Layout design. I mean, you guys are not from this discipline, so otherwise this software and issues are there. And the trade secret, Coca-Cola, what it does have, nobody knows. The trade secret. Production of new plant variety and farmers right. A person from plant science, na? It is important. Any variety which you develop, it should be registered. There is a set system because maximum guys are vegetarians, so I am not doing that. But it should have best property. DUS, you might be knowing. Distinctiveness, uniformity, or something like that. So all varieties should be registered through that. Yes. So this is covered. Yeah. Nice. View. Yes. ठीक है. Yes. Okay. So intellectual outcome and intellectual property. Just I was discussing. Whatever research we are doing is an intellectual outcome. And when you say intellectual outcome, how you are utilizing that? सर मेरा तो पब्लिकेशन हो गया 2-3 इम्पैक्ट फैक्टर 5 इम्पैक्ट फैक्टर यू आर हैप्पी ओह सर 5 इम्पैक्ट फैक्टर का पब्लिकेशन आया लाइफ इज मूविंग लाइक एनीथिंग सो दैट इज द इंटेलेक्चुअल आउटकम यू आर हैप्पी बट वंस यू से ओह सर आई हैव टू डू पेटेंट एवरीबॉडी विल सी यू फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम see this guy something like that so that is clearly difference is there how you can differentiate between a research output vis-a-vis intellectual property so research में तो मैंने बता दिया you will have some publications कुछ weak IP कर सकते है ना और some you can publish something but the moment it is intellectual property because it is a innovation driven it's a mind power है so the moment it is innovation driven means some application is there if I want to keep who is wearing that thing your goggle in this it won't come Nancy ka suppose Nancy it won't come in this box so I need a box which can so this is innovation so if the company which is making different kind of the frames they should have a either uniform box which can accommodate all kind of the frames or different kind of the frames. Now you will find different kind of the boxes with different price tags. 5000 वाले का बॉक्स अलग है 10000 वाले का बॉक्स अलग है ना नल्ली साड़ी में जाओ if you go to तमिलनाडु नल्ली साड़ी शॉप्स 5000 का शॉप का सिस्टम अलग है 10000 का अलग है 20000 का अलग है 50000 का अलग है so this is the kind of the selling so they have that kind of the application. Suppose if you are having a 5000 rupees and if you go to a segment where 20,000 rupees and onward things are there, what you will do? Green दिखाओ, blue दिखाओ, पीला दिखाओ, नीला दिखाओ, because you keep on saying you don't have money, है ना? And पसंद नहीं आया, मजा नहीं आ रहा, बचा तो 5000 में आता, you are having 20,000, don't have 20,000, 5000 में कहाँ से मजा आएगा, है ना? So that मजा लेना है तो innovation करना है ना? That's why I was telling you in Hindi. There are certain things which I can share you. Please pardon me, don't worry. So it is always application driven, and all are legally protected. Any innovation is legally protected. I told you, small things are there. Patent, design, copyright. Even then, after you publish a paper or something, you can go for publishing it. The moment it is a prior art, you can publish it. So there is no big issue. Okay? जब आपको खराब लगने लगेगा तो मुझे बता दीजिएगा किसी को कोई दिक्कत हो अदरवाइज यू विल एंजॉय ओके सो व्हाई आईपीआर इज नीडेड है ना भाई टेक्नोलॉजी इनोवेशन के लिए इफ रियली यू कीप ऑन घर में भी सपोज यू हैव मेड एन हाउस सब लोग मिलके इस कॉर्नर में आई विल पुट दिस नहीं यहाँ नहीं रखेंगे यहाँ रखेंगे वो क्या है दैट इज एप्लीकेशन ऑफ योर ब्रेन if I am going to put this frame here, clock will be here. वास्तु के हिसाब से, you go for वास्तु, this and that, everything. Same way, why IPR? If any innovation is there, automatically it will have IPR. And fair competition. Competition रहेगा. Otherwise there is no competition. You publish a paper. If I am of that subject, I will see. Rest. But if you go for any IPR, you see multiple users are there. And I will show you some of the examples. Consumer protection है, transfer of technology है. So innovation without proper legal protection does not make any sense. If you have developed anything, it should be protected nicely. ये भी चलेगा.
हाँ सर नीचे एरर नहीं करनी.
वो बात. ये काम करेगा ना? हाँ yes.
क्लिक कर दीजिए सर.
तो सर वो राइट कॉर्नर में वो शो करेंगे.
चलो ठीक है. It will save some time. Yes. So innovation without protection is of no use. तो सोना भी रखा है तो लॉकर में रखना है, वो भी प्रोटेक्शन है. That's why intellectual property should also be protected. And what is the significance? You see, it improves the quality of the research. The research usually have IP. Definitely, research will be. Otherwise, effect of repellent on the expulsion of fetal membrane, what IP is going to be generated? Simple है. You have given, you have brought something, Indian herbs का compound, you have given those animals, whether placenta has been expelled or not. Effect of digestive क्या होता है आपका Ruchamax on the something, it is not. So it really, the moment IPR comes, automatically it improves the quality of the research, and that is required basically. Then research speed pace बढ़ जाता है. आपको तो जैसे पता चलेगा कि मेरा आईपी आने वाला है ना, ओ सर यू विल लाइक दिस. Nobody will able to catch you. Okay, so research become competitive. Collaborations. अरे भाई इनके पास तो बहुत कुछ है. Let us collaborate with him. Something like that. है ना? Up to date knowledge. You becomes very up to date in the knowledge. Fund आता है. You attract the fund. Human resources. आदमी किसके पास जाता है? जिसके पास प्रोजेक्ट है, आईपी है. एज ए स्टूडेंट आपके पास कौन आएगा? अगर आपके पास इफेक्ट ऑफ रिप्लेंटा ऑन द एक्सपल्शन ऑफ फीटल मेम्ब्रेन वाला प्रोजेक्ट रहेगा, nobody will come to you. People will come only when you have it. So that's why human resource come like that. It is attracted because you have something. So attracting good faculty and students, enhancing academic image. आपकी इमेज अच्छी तो हमारी इमेज अच्छी, हमारी इमेज अच्छी तो इंस्टीट्यूट की इमेज अच्छी. This is all related. Related words are there. Good publications, book, this and that. I'm not going to. It is all written here. Don't worry. Next, please. Yeah. Same thing. The economic significance. If you have the IP, many good institutions, companies, they are very strong in the IP and they run like anything. Okay. So fund बहुत easy हो जाता है. Investment बहुत अच्छा है. अभी I will show you. GDP में there is an increase, wealth generation, what not. Even 1% increase in patent production, 3% increase in the GDP. See the पूरी GDP में एनुअल साइंस का ऊपर 5% है टोटल GDP में. वैसे एग्रीकल्चर GDP में 25% है. 1% प्रोडक्शन is equal to 3% increase in the FDI. This is old data. Now it has improved like anything. Next. Yes. Now I will show you what changes has occurred since 2014. Till 2000 we were doing the research. आप लोग नहीं party, I am also party of that. We were doing research for our own survival. Oh भाई साहब, you are sleeping. Not fair. I am not able to justify the lecture. If anybody is not feeling well, you can leave the class. And if I will be sleepy, I will leave the class. Okay. So otherwise you can have a water. Come on, go and glass. Okay. So this is a very recent data. If you see growth, you see this. 2013-14 there were 4,227 patents. Now 41,000. Yes, granted patent.
Per year.
This 2023. 10 months data. डाटा है, अभी कंप्लीट नहीं है। कंप्लीट डाटा मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ।
ये एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च साइट
टोटल
एग्रीकल्चर
एग्रीकल्चर में आप कहीं नहीं हो।
अभी 16
आप तो इंजेक्शन लगा रहे हैं, जानवरों को ठीक कर रहे हैं, यू आर वेरी हैप्पी सर। I have treated 10 animals, all are well. Okay, something like that. So that kind of feeling is there. I am just putting some example. I am trying to ignite something in you, how you can do a good research. Okay, 90,000 patent has been filed last year. 267 patent per day basis. This is a very recent data, static publication by Ministry of Commerce. 90,000 patent, highest in 2023, 247 patent per day. See the pace in India.
Granted.
No, this is the five. This is granted. Now innovation index, India has reached up to the rank of 40th from 87, 88, something like that.
Which country is that from?
US, China, Japan. I will show you that also. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. 41,000 is only for 23.
23 granted.
Not
अभी तक
एक साल का है।
नहीं अभी तक 41,000 पेटेंट ग्रांट हो गई है।
एक साल का है सर।
93 में पहला पेटेंट ग्रांट हुआ है।
Only 75,000 patent granted in last 10 months itself. ये डाटा थोड़ा पुराना updated है. Now they have updated it. And out of that 16% from chemical sciences and 20% from mechanical sciences. One professor from BHU, Mr. Premchand Pandey, has 60 patents in it. He has been invited by Government of India on the Republic Day parade. Premchand Pandey, IITN है, BHU से. और डाटा आपको बताते हैं. See how our country is growing. I would like to just mention, don't go in numbers. Realize the importance of those numbers. How things are changing, especially post-COVID. Things are changing like. I will show you some very good example if people are not sleeping. Okay. So next. So I have told you these are the major IP, patent, design, trade secret, copyright, something like that. The whole IP system is governed by these 6, 7, whatever listed. Next. So now just at least as a basic, you should understand what is patent. The moment if I say patent, it should be novel, novelty, newness. Okay? Rest I will tell you later. Copyright, originality. अभी यहाँ तो सब copyright चोरी का चल रहा है. Every musician is copying something others. Most of the things are happening. You see, many movies are they are the copying of the Lal Singh Chaddha, flop movie, copied of the Forrest Gump. That movie was super hit in the Hollywood. So something like that. But originality should be there. And everybody is having one or two originality amongst you. But we don't do that. So that your mind should be anyhow. Trade secret. If I know what Dr. Mahajan is having, next day I'll prepare. He'll be behind. So that trade secret, our trade secret, that's why you know what happens. You might be knowing Coca-Cola families and other families, they never travel in one plane, full of the family. They distribute among themselves.
Oh my God.
Father will go with other, mother will go with other, something like that. Suppose if they are on the one plane and plane crash, what will happen? Trade secret is zoom. So it will be good. So they are traveling with that kind of trade secret is there. So many trade secrets are there. So आप भी क्या करो? मेरा trade secret है. I want to tell you how to contribute this virus. How to I am having so many things. I want to tell you. So that kind of trade secret is. But the moment they are a businessman, they know how to sell the things. है ना? Geographical I told you, a reputation due to origin. Design I told you, how anything look like by your naked eyes. Huh? You see, many other. This is the design. Nothing. You are not going to see any functional property. It is a non-functional property. Okay. Circuit, plant variety, and next. Okay. So basically, if somebody says patent, सर पेटेंट क्या है और तो जिसका है उसी को मिलेगा, हमें क्या मिलेगा? Normally people they say, sir वो तो it is a monopoly. Yes, it is a monopoly because he has worked hard for that. Huh? But that monopoly is for a limited period. After 20 years, it will be available in the public domain. Or if any exigency comes, suppose COVID came or other things come, government will open it because all are being governed by the law of Government of India. All country has nothing, no private sector is involved in this IP sector. Okay, so by the government to the inventor for a limited period within the country. Suppose you have developed something, you have got a patent in India. If you want to go to other countries, earlier otherwise you have to go individual country. Now you can simply go for PCT and it will be done. More than whatever WHO countries are there, it will be done. So there are three words. There are three words you might have heard: discovery, invention and innovation. अभी मेरा टाइम नहीं है ज़्यादा, तो नहीं तो मैं आप लोग से पूछता, बहुत अच्छे आंसर आते एंड आप खुद पे हंसते. बट डिस्कवरी इज समथिंग which was existing there. Columbus discovered America, something like that. You might have heard this type of invention, something which has been created by someone that has never been made before. Maybe physical thing, product or process. Suppose you are telling, sir, by doing this, I am going to harvest this amount of the virus, whatever. But if I do this change, the harvesting will be increased. So that kind of things. So that is a process change. Okay. Creating, like Marconi invented radio, something like that. So many inventions are there. Innovation is a fine tuning word. It is somewhat related to invention, but it is a new method and ideas behind something repurposing. You see the other, oh bhai sahab, you go and have a water. No, please. It means you are tired. I tell you are tired. So innovation, repurposing of a drug. You see the COVID is the best example. Ivermectin. Have you ever heard that ivermectin will be used for repurposing of the corona? So that kind of it is a basically innovation. Something you have made out of the which was existing. So just I put one example. That I am having n number. Next. आप इनको पानी बोतल है? हाँ, yes please take. थोड़ा भूख क्या हो? कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. सब लिखा है. सब है इसमें. है ना? So you have to be ensured what can be patented. ना? सबसे बड़ा इशू है, सर हमें तो पता ही नहीं है what can be patented. So the things is that all processes and products which are new, many times I am repeating the same word, it will hammer you. Sir, what is new? Now you will start searching, sir, what I am doing, what is new? So you should be able to have new involving inventive steps. The step which was not prior art. You have made certain changes because of that new product came. Then industrial application. वो आपने सुना होगा कि बहुत से पेटेंट हैं, they are of no use. CSR is telling 2000 patents are no use. People they don't know the importance. They are of use, but we don't know how to use it. So, but it should happen because Government of India is investing one per patent 4 lakh rupees till 20 years. So that 4 lakh at least we should be able to recover. Not necessary, but at least 20-25% should see the market. Okay. There are certain section of law. I am not going to go in depth because curriculum is also not feeling well. He is tired. He is having a number of work in the lab post this lecture. So there are certain sections where government releases. No, it is not your property. It is our property. It is for the welfare of the humanity. So they will make it okay. है ना? So Apple product may be any apparatus, devices, machine, chemical, drug, food. कोई प्रिस्क्रिप्शन पेटेंटेबल नहीं है, कोई फार्मिंग प्रैक्टिसेस पेटेंटेबल नहीं है. प्लीज मेक इट माइंड. any biological material which is available as such, it is not.
After 20 years, you said it is rate open. Then if some controversy arises, who will be?
No, it is open. No controversy. You can made it, you can change it. You made it some innovation in that. That is possible. People are doing. Even company itself is doing. You see, all pharma companies are doing. The moment their patent crosses, before that they do something and make it another patent.
Additional
वो आपके लिए बहुत knowledge फिर तो एक अलग extra class करना पड़ेगा.
amend कर सकते हो.
But I am telling you, the wise persons are those who are not going to tell, like, I don't know how much jewelry in your home, and neither you are going to tell even your very close relative, nor your neighbors. Are you going to tell? Money, something like that. Same way, जो क्रक्स होता है पेटेंट का, डॉक्टर मदन लोग सब लोग जानते हैं, एक क्रक्स है. That is one of the heart of the patent. That is known to only inventor, and that will be known only to inventor. This is the art of filing the patent. But anyhow, all companies, pharma companies, they do very nicely. Some small changes they make it. Even some very good mechanical work, where people are doing some small. I will show you some of the examples. Don't worry. So I have told you, liability is inventive step, non-obvious means it should not be prior. Next. I have told you, I think this one. Next. So patent, I have told you, basically it is one of the important pillars of intellectual property. It gives owner the right to exclude others from making, using, selling and importing an invention, research work for a time duration, which is 20 years in case of patent in India. Yes, sir, it is a clear general information for you. Open any IP website, you will find it. I am not going to tell that. I am just trying to ignite your brain. Whatever you are doing, it has certain IP. Okay, thank you. Next, go ahead. It is all available there, it is also there in this. So, patent is a right awarded by the central government to an individual or group of individuals for exclusive right on their invention and disallowing others to use, practice, sell, market. This case, within the period, 20-year period, if somebody infringe it, आप जैसा बोल रहे हैं ना, in that case, you can sue them. After 20 years, you can make it. No issue. It is for fixed period 20 years. Intangible, I have told you, territorial right है basically. It is not international right. For international right, you have to go for PCT next. So these are the set procedures how to file up. It is very set procedure, and if you see the Indian Patent Office website or other, it will be available. How to file it. If somebody wants more knowledge, I can. Otherwise, at least for this lecture, it is just I would like to show how to file it. Then the moment you file it, it comes for publication. So it takes within 18 months. Then it is being examined. Then examinations is being to be asked. Then you have to reply the FER. Then hearing comes and grant comes. In between, if some issues are there, you are being challenged, you are being asked, you have to give the proper witness, and accordingly it is given yes or no. Okay. Even post-patent infringement is also, post-patent objection is also there. Okay. Next. So initially you can file in our system. Normally you can file provisional if you have very good confidence. Sir, within a year everything will be final. Otherwise, normally people they do complete. But even sir, please give me public, even provisional itself, because you will have another 12 months. The moment you have filed complete, you can't change anything. Okay. Next. There is a gap of 12 months between these two. Next. Yeah, claims. I told you claims is the heart of the patent. And we are very poor in claiming. If I ask claim to, what is the output of a research project? Sir, 2 students have been, 2 MSc have been guided, 1 PhD has been guided. We have published 6 papers, 3 in the NAS journal of this, 2 in this. Same way claim also. Claim means what you are going to claim through this patent, which will protect you, which will make you rich for another 20 years. So claim that should be like it should be hard at all. So and there are 2 types of claims out there: dependent claims and independent claims. Independent claim is the major crux. Suppose you have developed a recombinant antigen. Just I am saying an example, and you are going to use that antigen for different purposes. But you have developed only some diagnostics. So first you have your so and so, I and B, so claim so and so, this antigen, something like that, useful for that. Up next, I and B is also so this antigen can be used for vaccination and this again something like that. You can go and claim without having any extra money. So that antigen, how it is going to be used? Maybe therapeutic value, maybe something value, or n number of the value. As a scientist, you will tell. I have just given one example to you. Okay, next. Yeah, those who are from microbiology side, at least since 2002, the Biodiversity Act has become. If you are using any flora and fauna for your research and you have developed some intangible things, you have to go through this channel also. You have to get approval. You have to pay some fees. Dr. Madan and Dr. Sunil are workers with this. Around 2 to 3%, 4% amount which is being charged. Okay, so now you cannot use all its even soil also, any flora fauna, you cannot use it like that. You have to pay, and there should be some change. Simple, sir, I have isolated this. No, it is of no value until unless you are going to transform it into some intangible asset. Okay, next. There are different facts, what is patent. When you open the IP website, all these will be available, you will have all those answers. It is just I have written down, you should, when it can be filed, what is provisional, what is something like that, you should understand. So, if after this lecture, if I am able to ignite something in your mind, definitely you are going to see all those issues. Thank you. Next. Patent search. Oh, we are searching when we have done the research. We are finding the fault when marriage is over. Sir, मुझे तो ये मिल गया, मुझे तो वो मिल गया. You cannot. When you had an option, you have not done the homework. So before settling the marriage, you settle everything. Same thing is. So if you want to increase the IP property, intellectual property, at least you should able to search something. ऐसे नहीं सर्च करना सर. Simply you have searched Google में वो बर्फी का क्या है, तो बर्फी का बर्फी वाला आंसर आ जाएगा. लड्डू क्या है, लड्डू का आंसर आएगा. But if you are going to search properly, you will get a good answer. So there are many websites which are paid or which are not paid. सबसे Google बाबा ये सबसे easiest है. आ गया, n number of things are आ गया, है ना. वो उसमें सबसे पहला Wikipedia आ जाता है. वो सबसे पहले कंफ्यूज कर देगा आपको. हैं, you are confused. Sir, I have gone through everything. I have read, sir. It is everything, but you are lost. But there are different websites are there. United States Patent Office, Europe का है, Space Nest है, Japanese. They are all very good. They are open access. But there are certain paid. Why paid? They have done them. They are very specific. You pay something, you will get something. Freebie में तो फिर लाइटिंग फ्री मिलेगी दिल्ली सरकार की 150 यूनिट फ्री, हाँ वो फ्रीबी है. But if you really want, patent search should be done when you are framing the project. But this is not happening. This is the reality में यही है. हम तो सर्च बाद में करते हैं when marriage is over. So that's why I have told just. But you have to do all this. There are so many. The same thing design. I'm not going to tell the things. Design is something how it look like. So I will show you some example. Then you will relish. Next. Next. Yeah. See, just now you will have a thought. This type of chair. These chairs are different. You see the importance of it. आप जब when you go to the market, what you see? Color, texture, contour, something like that. That is design. ये चश्मा मेरे को अच्छा लगेगा नहीं, इसको पहन के देखिए, वो तो आपको कुछ भी पहना देगा, but आपको देखना. So that design matters. It matters in your life. So this some of the examples. Very simple process is there. Only 4,000, 5,000 you can have. Yes. Next. See the cycle. Simple, sir, cycle है. This is not cycle. This is something innovative. है ना? You see? If you remember our own cycle, Purana Hero cycles, simple cycles, and this is the issue of it. All are cycle, bicycle, but they have certain different component. Next, भैया हाईवे वाला भी बता देते. You see, many designs have been developed on highway, many surgical designs. I am also party to some of the design. Anyhow, next. Copyright, I told you. What is extracurricular you are having? That is copyright. Either in your lab or in your life. That is copyright. So next. Copyright में बड़ा अच्छा है. मरने के 60 साल भी पैसा मिलता है. You know. Your life. Then 60 years. वो रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर चले गए. उनका परिवार मौज कर रहा. लता मंगेशकर गए. उनका परिवार मौज कर रहा. You get all those royalties. See, important. We are seeing, you know, royalty. It's a huge royalty. And Lata Mangeshkar fought for anything. When she fought for a royalty, the conflict happened between Mohammad Rafi and Lata Mangeshkar. Do you know that story? Mohammad Rafi was no, why to bother? We are giving whatever we are singing, we are getting the money. So why to go for royalty? She emphasized, no, we need royalty. And the whole of the music fraternity was against at that time. But after Lata won, everybody is paying. So Usha Mangeshkar and Meena Mangeshkar is enjoying. Huh? So I mean, those who are the siblings or something like that, they are enjoying. So that is the importance of copyright. Next. Yeah, the set procedures are there. Amongst you, if somebody have developed anything, need any help, come to me, I will help you. Next. Yeah, so I have told you, I mean basic right I have told you. Next. Authorship, work, these are all copyright which IBM has developed, it could be this and that. You can see. Trademark. I am not going to just simple. Trademark means any mark which is distinctive in nature. You can differentiate between two very nicely. Just next. These all set procedures are there. Next. Yeah. बाबा जी का सुना था लास्ट टाइम कोरोना. You see, कितना लड़े बाबा जी कोरोना किट बना के. Have you seen बाबा रामदेव जी को तो whole medical fraternity was against. These are all issues. You see, I tell you one example. There was one very during the Britishers, Lal Imli firm was there. It was located in Kanpur. Very famous for making the woolen. Lal Imli woolens are very famous across the India, especially blanket and all those things. So the change what Lal Imli, only Lali Mali, he has replaced here. So that kind of, and that looks everything looks, you see, similar kind of things you will find. So trademark is easy to infringe it. You go from Bareilly to Delhi, Shiva Dhaba. असली शिवा ढाबा यही है, असली ढाबा ये. You will get 100 शिवा ढाबा. बरेली में गट्टूमल शॉप, असली गट्टूमल शॉप यही है. Everywhere you will go, you will find such type of the infringement is there very nicely because they are weak IP, but they hold the value. I will tell you what type of values are there. But you see, this type of the things are there. Next. Yeah, these are some registered. I am not going to go in detail. Trademark, because trademarks give value, I have told you. That is sufficient. Yes. Well known, Coca-Cola, you see? If this comes, nothing comes in your mind. It is only Coca-Cola. But if I change this A from this side, even you will not able to differentiate by your naked eyes. That's why Lal Imli, I only replaced here and there. But you are seeing Lal Imli, but that is not Lal Imli. So that kind of the infringement is always there. But Godrej, this is a Godrej, but if you got that one dot here, change. And that Godrej company cannot. But Name they sue if it is very similar and something like that. I will tell you there are some issues are there. So next, yes, Rim Shakti. See, these are the trademark importance. See, nobody Hindustan Lever का है ये Rim Shakti, है Annapurna Kisan Ketchup, something like that. You are going to buy Kisan Ketchup, but you are getting Annapurna Kisan Ketchup, something like that. Lipton. See, immediately Toyota. The moment you see such type of things, Volkswagen, Toyota, something comes to your mind. But infringement is very easy, actually. But these are very big companies. People are afraid. But if you make one company, next day I will make another company. So, Anji, Karagalan, not feeling happy.
No problem. It's okay.
It's okay. Energy is less. चाय नहीं मिला. मैंने कहा था इनको, आपने को एक चाय पिलाया बढ़िया. सब अगर मेरे यहाँ आते मैं चाय पिलाता सबको बढ़िया चाय बिस्कुट पिलाता. Next, yes. You see, trademarks. There are certain service marks. Visa, Mastercard, so important. अभी मेरे पास तो वीजा कार्ड है, ये कार्ड है, वो कार्ड है, समझ लेंगे. So they matters. Amazon.com. Only this ignite your brain. It is available in Amazon. ये वो वाली वेबसाइट नहीं है जो आपका ब्रांड नंबर ऑफ वेबसाइट्स फ्लिपकार्ट था और भी है. स्नैपडील है और बताओ भी एक और बहुत सस्ता जिसको कपिल अनाउंस मीशो सबसे सस्ता सुंदर दिखाओ. दिस अ काइंड ऑफ है ना. सो बेसिकली ट्रेडमार्क इज अमेज़न पे जाएगा तो आपको पता चल जाएगा क्या रेटिंग, बट वहां भी कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है. बट दीज सर्विस मार्क्स दे मेक यू यस ट्रस्ट. दैट ट्रस्ट इज द नेक्स्ट. सी there are different kind of marks are there. Sound, you see, color, collective, different fragrance, different kind of things are being used for different certificate. Wool में देखते हो wool बना रहता है. So it all gives a picture, notion. Something comes in your mind, how it is related to that. Next, you see, Amul, this is all trademark. It's very important. Nestle. What is, please go back. How you are going to correlate with Nestle with this milk? Nestle tea, Nestle milk, but वहाँ तो कबूतर चिड़िया बना हुआ है. But आपके माइंड में ऐसा क्या Nestle आएगा तो ब्रू नहीं खरीदोगे. You want buy brew. Brew is also good coffee. You go and Nestle. और वो दुकानदार भी सेट है. brew दिखाना नहीं, तब तो कोई मांगे नहीं. उसकी सेटिंग है. Try to understand. This is the market, right? So, Amul, अभी आप कुछ go to Amul, you will get somebody else. सर आज यही है, because वो market है. But आपका ट्रस्ट Amul पे है. You will see all those things, है ना? Next, भाई खुजली हो रही है, हो गया डॉक्टर साहब? Done. 6:30, I think 6:30 हो गया. No, I will take 10-15 minutes, no issue. Yeah, go ahead. IBM is all important. Weak versus strong marks I have told you. Lalimli, Lalimali, whatever, I have told you whatever the next. Yeah. Next. Next. I will show you some good examples. So, this all symbol I have told. These are, they are very important. Mercedes Benz, these are good. Next.
What means SN?
Go back.
Trademark and symbol.
Symbol. Yeah. सिंबॉलिक है ना. सॉल्व ये लिखा है, ये नहीं तो कोई वैल्यू नहीं है.
अगर आपका ट्रेडमार्क रजिस्टर है आपके टीम में
यही आएगा.
डायरेक्ट कर लेगा.
ट्रेडमार्क रजिस्टर के ऊपर इवन एडवर्टाइजमेंट भी इज देयर, है ना. नेक्स्ट, geographical indication I have told you, any reputation because of that particular. अभी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चला, जो लोग एमपी से हैं, देयर वाज अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन कड़कनाथ, बिटवीन एमपी झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़, है ना. छत्तीसगढ़ रसगुल्ला के लिए फाइट हुआ उड़ीसा, बट अल्टीमेटली बोथ गॉट सबका रिलेवेंस उन्होंने प्रूव किया, समथिंग लाइक दैट. नेक्स्ट, सो दार्जिलिंग टी. अरे दार्जिलिंग इज अ प्लेस, बट द मोमेंट फॉर दार्जिलिंग टी, see the importance of that place. I need Darjeeling tea. Kangnati, Kanjivaram silk. Silk is everywhere. But the moment you say Kanjivaram, something else comes in your mind. So that is the importance of GI. Chanderi sari, Kullu shawl, Kangnati, Muga silk, Fulkari embroidery. Something. So this is GI. The importance. It adds value. It gives money to those who have developed this. That is the GI. Next. I told you there are different acts are there. If you want to understand, you go. Some acts are there also. I'll show you. Next. I'll show some only example. You see, Kangra place famous for many things. Kangra tea is there. Alfonso. Even if you grow Alfonso in UP, you won't get that credit which those guys are getting. It is GI tag.
Today, we offer this royalty every year to the event. In case of GI, also some provision.
Yeah, provision is there.
Something.
This is the group like a FPO you might have heard. Same with GI also. Those who are in locality, suppose a locality has developed a basmati rice, 11 21, just example, 1121 basmati rice is there, that has been belong to a particular locality, or Kala Namak rice, है ना? So that 1,000, 5,000 people, they will be a part to that group, GI. So whatever is going to be sold, they will get some credit. They will get that amount. That is for the welfare of that. Same way, if you do any science based on the microbial science, I have told you, your NBA, National Biodiversity Authority is there. If there is no NBA, it go to State Biodiversity Authority. Even State Biodiversity Authority give that money to the local villages also. There are different kind of system is there, but this lecture does not demand very in depth. Simply, I am trying to put you something in your mind. You see, just by seeing this, something should come in your mind. Mango means, if say Alfonso means Alfonso. Chicle ka brand Alfonso syrup, mango syrup is very famous. Okay, next. Same thing. Is a handicraft. You see some of the handicraft. Bihar ke log hai, Madhubani art, this and art. You go to Delhi art. 1, 2x2, 3x2, they are selling 2,000 rupees. So that arts means that has value, and all has been developed by those particular villages. They have brought from here. They may not get 2,000 rupees, but something they are getting now. That is the importance of all those. Okay. Even if you are going to print, suppose you are having a sari making, you are going to use Madhubani, you cannot use like this. Huh? Because they are all tagged GI tag. Next. So it's all next. Sub GI tag hai. Oh yes. This some of the example I will show you. You might be thinking one product, one IP. No. One product, n number of IPs. Like this camera. Just an example. Patent hai. Patent for what? Its mechanism, how it works. Cool. Then design. You see, everything is a design. All corners they have something. So design, external. Trademark. Canon. Canon का कैमरा है उनके पास. See the value, है ना? So all these are very important. Next. अब इससे बड़ा आएगा. Next. ये. Just imagine. In developing one plane, how many IP can be there? Wildest dream बताओ ये. अरे एन नंबर तो मुझे पता है. 100 नंबर. 1000, 2000, 10,000.
10 लाख से ऊपर.
हैं?
जितना भी होगा.
And because you see, today you travel in the same Boeing, tomorrow you will have different kind of chair. Something added there. So all so design. You see, n number of the IP he is told. Any change is going to happen because they made one skeleton which is having 10,000, 50,000, 1 lakh IPs. Any change. So please, you just imagine. For developing such type of plane, only 4 or 5 countries they have Airbus, this and that. You see, rest everybody is flying. Oh sir, हमारे हिंदुस्तान में तो बहुत बड़ी है जहाज. हमारे पास कोई जहाज अपना थोड़ी है. It is all made up by US and France only. Now we are slowly cases बना दिया, but still in the public convenience we don't have system. मोस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री।
सर कोई डिजाइन मान लीजिए फेल हो जाता है, जैसे कॉन्कॉर्ड एक या ऐसी प्लेन था,
हाँ।
उसका थोड़ा सा नीचे को झुकाव था,
हाँ।
वो फेल हो गया था,
हाँ।
तो क्या उसका लॉस कंपनी को होगा?
फेल इन दिस सेंस फेल।
सर वो डिजाइन पहले आता था कॉन्कॉर्ड करके इसी तरीके का था प्लेन,
हाँ।
अब वो किसी टेक्निकल वजह से या फिर उसमें कुछ एयर प्रेशर की वजह से वो डिजाइन फेल हो गया है।
हाँ, वो वापस हो जाता है।
वापस
You see,
हो-
आपने कारों में सुना होगा मैनी टाइम्स एयर फिल्टर खराब हो गया, 10 का 1000 कारें वापस आ गई। दिस ऑल स्टैंडर्ड
तो
प्रैक्टिस।
वो लॉस किसको होगा?
लॉस तो कंपनी को होता है।
अब जैसे
कंपनी देखो, कंपनी है पेड यू, बट बहुत तरह के एग्रीमेंट हो गए। मैं आपको बताऊं, एक एग्रीमेंट ये होता है,
पेटेंट तो गवर्नमेंट ने दिया है ना।
पेटेंट गवर्नमेंट ने दिया है, बट इट हैज बीन लाइसेंस्ड बाय समवन। पेटेंट देने पर गवर्नमेंट भूल जाती है। 20 years इट इज योर राइट।
चाहे लॉस हो चाहे फायदा हो।
सर लॉस और फायदा, बट लॉस मैं बता रहा हूँ, द मोमेंट यू से लॉस यू कैन इम्प्रोवाइज इट। फेलियर्स गिव यू ए लेसन हाउ टू इम्प्रूव इट। ठीक है, वो पहले चिड़िया उड़ी ना, चिड़िया उड़ी तभी जहाज आया, चिड़िया नहीं उड़ती तो जहाज नहीं बनता। यू सी feather, जो those who have developed this plane, you see their story, success story, how they have conceptualized the plane can be. It is not easy, but failure is a part. Many times it happens. You know, some designs fail, some patent fails. It happens. No issue. Next. Yes, अभी कोरोना में देखिए कितना चेंज आया। वेंटिलेटर के लिए people were struggling. Now you see lot of changes has occurred. Different kind of people they have made different kind of invention. एक वेंटिलेटर की कॉस्ट बहुत महंगा था, 10 लाख रुपए का आता था, अभी 1 लाख रुपए आ गया कीमत, है ना। मार्केट में फेयर कंपटीशन हो गया, समझिए। नेक्स्ट, एंड आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, वेंटिलेटर में इफ यू सर्च n number of these things we will find. Next. So these are the how to see the patent, how to search it, or something like that. Yes. Next. Oh, just I have citing some example. ये PPT नहीं देंगे because ये उन लोग का issues है, but it is there. I am just trying to visualize you something. You see mask. आपने तो सर्जिकल मास्क पहना हुआ, वही मिल गया बहुत है, but you see the kind of this happened when COVID was passing. Earlier innovation was that even whatever you are having, try to put it, try to protect yourself. But the moment people started thinking how to sell it, वो साड़ी के साथ मास्क आ गया, साड़ी की मैचिंग के साथ मास्क आ गया, everything something. You go to मतलब आप बाहर जाए तो आपको लगेगा वो I mean those who चाहे लेडीज हो चाहे जेंट्स हो, उनका बैग उसी कलर का होगा, उसको भी कलर हो. This is all something like that. Same thing you see this. So आपको ये सिखाता है how to go further. Next. Same, if you search mask, just I am trying to show you. You search word only mask, n number of the information will come. Different patent. Yeah, next. Next. Same thing. Yeah, next. These are different act. The Patent Act came in 1970. Before 1970, हिंदुस्तान में बड़े आराम से लोग घूम रहे थे. जैसे ही 1970 में this Patent Act came, people were aware. So जो those who were sitting in Bombay metropolitan, they were aware. है ना, वो पहले शेयर वही लोग खेलते थे, अब हम भी शेयर खेल रहे हैं, है ना. Same thing, patent maybe slowly, but post 2000 there is a significant change, and post COVID, I have told you that figure. Next. देखिए, see the invention. अभी आप स्टिक यूज करते थे क्या चिपकाने के? बटन लगाते हैं तो यार चक्कू ले आओ, फोर्क ले आओ, दिस ले आओ. He has made a stick of it. That's why, dude, it is available. हैं? So while traveling, such type of things matter. आप इनोवेटिव आपको दिखाएं, ₹1 का शैम्पू पाउच. It matters when you are traveling, because the moment you have kept 100 ml bottle, CISF का गार्ड उसको शू से फेंकेगा, है ना. So you see that रिक्शा वो क्लीनिंग भी कर रहे हैं. This is kind of innovation, है ना. See, वो कोरोना साड़ी बना दिया. This innovation. The wife of Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, she weared a sari on the competition of the Rama temple. You know the cost of sari? जाइएगा, पढ़िएगा, देखिएगा. And it was all made up of some temple, this and that. Very artistic sari. Once in a lifetime, one very unique sari. She wear the sari, which is costing like anything. Amitabh Bachchan use a camera, mobile. You cannot judge the price of that. But everybody has noticed. He was taking photos. Alia Bhatt की साड़ी. This is a very, you see, it is coming in social media. पढ़िए, देखिए. This is a designer साड़ी. That's called. This is a designer side. Okay, next. So, I mean, there is something direct, some indirect. As a scientist, you should be very wise. As a researcher, you should be very wise. What else I can use it? If I am not going to put goggle in this, so what is the other usage of this box? आप घर में एक पन्नी भी नहीं फेंकते. You are not throwing a single bag. You know how to use it. है ना? That bag, polythene bag, meant for carrying something. But I tell you a number of things. So that kind of innovation should always be there. Okay? So that is the direct and indirect feeling is there. Like artificial with kitchen appliances, artificial intelligence with health monitoring system. So like वो किचन में भी था और वो यहाँ भी आ गया. So n number multiple thoughts in there. AI tool है. You have used for multiple things. Okay. Same thing. Just I want to say some of the example. Please. Yeah. Next. Yeah. Trade secret I am not just मैंने बता दिया. One trade secret is Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, something like that. There's a variety, but there are so many. You see one example again I will do. Roti makers. आप लोगों ने वो सरदारों वाला आंदोलन सुना कि किसान आंदोलन? Have you seen the roti making machine there? 1,000 roti at a time. You see, you can learn many good things from that. How to feed 10,000 people is so that roti making machine. Now I think those who are from South they might be knowing. है ना? It's a very successful story from this KM group. You can see some other groups are also there. Many things, not only patent, layout, this and that, so many things are there. Next. It is a mere perception, how you perceive the intellectual property. Somebody says glass is half full. Somebody say glass is half empty. But a patent attorney which examined the patent said no, liquid H2O bisect and open cylindrical disc. You see, this is the perception. So intellectual, it may not work for you, but it may work for someone else. So that kind of concept you should have in your mind. So all are some next. Some legal issues are there. I am not going to tell you these all. Yes. Now the time has come. A professor should not remain professor for 15 years. A principal scientist should not remain principal scientist for 15 years. Otherwise, परम सुखी प्राप्त होने पे you are not going to do anything. हाँ? सुखी, सबसे सुखी, परम सुखी. अभी हम भी परम सुखी है. ये भी परम सुखी है ना? So परम सुखी, how to differentiate? We need to incentivize the things. बच्चा आपका अच्छा पढ़ता, अच्छा सुनाता. बच्चा दो का पढ़ा सुनाओ, सुना दिया, एक चॉकलेट मिल गया. Same time of system should come in research institution also. We should be given incentive for good work. We should be recognized in each and every forum. He's a good scientist, something like that. So even your student also. Many times, look, students, it happens. Don't, it happens. स्टूडेंट का काम है, ठीक है दे देंगे, पेपर में नाम दे देंगे, कोई बात नहीं, और पीछे नाम दे देंगे यार. The day will come when you are going to keep him up front में. Your winner, he will spread that fragrance to such an extent we cannot have. And मैं तो I realize all those things. So ऐसा नहीं है. आप उनको आके रख के आप बहुत कुछ पा सकते हैं. But the moment if you keep yourself front ahead, you are in a box only. So now we have to give the incentive at institutional level, personal, staff level, research. Suppose 26 का भी था, many scientists came, they got some award, they got. So what happens? You get recognition because you are doing something extra, something extraordinary other than the others. Everybody is getting the salary. So that kind of thing should. Otherwise, what will happen? Everybody will be Paramsukhi. Okay, then work will stop, progress will stop. I have told you what is the importance next. So I have told you. So I will just tell you in one slide. Go ahead. Next. Yes. Probably I think second last, but only 5 minutes. This is very important. Mindset of the research. Why you are not? Suppose you have developed something. Jewelry, if you have purchased, try to wear it. Why you are putting in the locker? Then don't buy it. Become Gujarati. Gujarati, what they do? If they are, suppose they are having jewelry, they purchase jewelry. Tomorrow something comes, they will sell the jewelry. They will do that. Next day they will buy another jewelry. But in our Indian scenario, every occasion, if you are not going to buy jewelry, you won't get proper food. And all jewelry will be in the locker. And when she will be out, she will be wearing all those nakli wala, what you say, patthar pehen liya, kagaz pehen liya, something like that. Gold and diamond is waiting in the locker. But in South, some people they wear some very strong, what do you say, chain or something like that. I mean, that is the important. Means you should spend the money there it's supposed to be spent. You should use it. Otherwise tomorrow somebody else will use it. You are putting money in the bank for what? If your son, your daughter is good, why you want to give a house or something like that? He is good, he won't take a single penny from you. So try to invest the money at the right place. So just mindset of the researcher. I am just telling you, but the mindset. Same researcher is having. Sir, ये मिला है. Something like that. Yes. वो मेरा ही रह गया. ना वो अपना हुआ ना तेरा हुआ किसी का नहीं. So that kind of thing. Sir, whatever I am doing is right, sir. Please. It is right, sir. I have gone through a number of the books, publications. No. आप क्या करोगे आप? But the requirement is something else. As a researcher, for the welfare of the mankind, for the welfare of the farmers, for the welfare of the industry, you have to work. Industry is telling, I want this vaccine. No. This vaccine doesn't have any value. I know what type of the virus is circulating in India. And the thing which are developing, that is, you have to use it. Who is the thing? These are blue sky research. Whatever I am doing, it is fine. So that kind of mindset should be changed. And we are having that kind of mindset. I tell you, it will take a long time to change. And then we have to incorporate all those good things in that also. The moment you develop something, you should be credited. From the next day, so and so came, they have developed. Now credit belongs to him or her. Here, no, acha, that's how I'm. Next day, you see what happened. You make a good project, you submit it. If that agency doesn't want to give you, you won't get. Somebody else will get that project. And from submission to the n number of parties are engaged to share that project to someone. I have seen people, they are being airdropped in that. You incorporate him as a collaborative center. Tomorrow he will be a main leader. Something like happens in the research. But even in our mindset, we have to change the mindset. That is very much required. My earnest request, at least not one, two, you should not work in isolation. Make a small team of your wavelength. मैच करता है ना, पत्नी से मैच करता है, बच्चे से मैच करता है. Why not with other? So अगर एक दो भी आपके साथ ऐड हो जाएगा, it will add value, and that will change your mindset. Otherwise हम तो यही करेंगे सर. I want change sir. So that so इसमें मैंने I have given Please go through these 7 pages. And next. Yes. Policies and implementation. बहुत अच्छी पॉलिसी बनती है. You see, when rules are being made, ना 99% rules are very good. Only 1%, but everybody is behind that 1%. Sir, please favor me, sir. You have the scope, sir. You can do it, sir. So that changes the match. 99% people are sufferer. In that case, 1% is a winner. So you get lost. Oh, what to do? Why to do? Something like that. So that kind of thing should be disconnect from the problem. I have told you, sir. No, he is not telling right, sir. They don't want their own business, but we have to work as per the requirement. I have told you, simple one stick. You might have imagined that stick with only that you can paste something. A person has imagined, no. Hotel में बहुत popular है. You can, while traveling it is very popular. If you see your travel kit, है ना, and you will find many innovations in your travel kit. Like myself, different kind of the brush which is having less in weight, different kind of tongue cleaner which is less in weight. We are searching things which are very good and less in weight. You see, innovation comes, and now you see the market. So that kind of thing should be there. Research project technology. We are making only research project. 99% scientists are making research project, and they are very happy. I am also happy. Dr. Madan has told I am also happy. But we are not making technology project. All the industry they want a technology project, innovation driven, application driven, something like that. Okay? Finding the right people. अब मैं आज आपको नहीं पढ़ाता तो हो सकता है ये आग नहीं लगती आपके उसमें शरीर में. Now I am able to ignite something in your mind. So I mean, if anybody amongst you is going to use this knowledge, I may be of some use. Otherwise, it is like a simple lecture delivered by SKC. Okay. So right people means very important. I tell you, right people at wrong time is of no use. Right people at right time when you need the help. परम सुखी होने के बाद क्या जरूरत है? सर मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ सर. I am very happy. No issue sir. But you need. So right people with all means collaborator, your boss, everything, something like that. Right? Money के बिना तो कुछ नहीं होता. Money is important, and money will come when you have that. If your mind allows, money will automatically come. And you see the market. People are blaming Tata, Birla, Adani, something like that. They are not different than us, but they made themselves different. They are not everywhere. They are at one place only, but they are running whole system. Means they are intellectually very strong. So we should not blame them. We should learn from them. So that is, so money is important, I tell you, but money should be used very judiciously. हमारे ऐसे system में क्या होता है, you money. The moment I give you money, you will buy the things which is going to be used after 5 years, and even after not, it is not going to be used. Even you want it to anyone, it will spoil, it will destroy it. So money should be used judiciously, but you should have the money for proper research. Startup, accelerator, venture capitalist ecosystem. आज की तारीख में तो this is a very popular word, startup, accelerator, who do this acceleration, venture capital, VC. So all very important words. आप लोग if you know what is the importance of those, most of the research, most of the technological invention, innovation is being sponsored by these guys only. And all good companies, they have made a small startup. Tata, they have small startups. So what they will get all government benefits. You see, that's making startup is a, because they are established companies, they cannot go. So they have offshoot so many things. So this is happening, but this ecosystem is required. You cannot do, suppose, because I have done, Dr. Madan, I have done something in the field of pregnancy diagnosis. I tell you, now I need upscaling. I tried to get the company. Company was ready, but at that time I didn't get the proper help. Still, that is idle at that place. But if some company would have been involved at that stage, things would have been gone because you cannot do everything. So that clarity, transparency, awareness, this is very important. Clarity with all respect. इसमें लिखा हुआ है. It is written in this text. You should be clear. At least in among your group. Okay. ऐसा नहीं हो. Oh, Dr. Ashok is coming. Lock कर दो. देख कर दो. Something like happens. It happens. Suppose if somebody is knocking in your door, now what happens? You will see who is there. The moment you see who is there, your wife, your children will start doing how to clean the drawing room, how to clean the living room. So you should not see what you are eating, what you are doing, something like that. That kind of things should be. So, but clarity. So research also will be there. Transparency should be there. Awareness should be there. And we need an ecosystem. If really, Dr. Mahajan is a man of medicine. On its own, he cannot do everything. So if really he has some ideas, so if he is going to involve others, then he require everything what I have told. Then only ecosystem will be there. Anything is missing what I have told you, no ecosystem can be created. Ecosystem is like a machinery. Machine will work when all parts are functional. Okay, next. I think it is over. Yes. Yeah, IRA is very rich. I am not going to tell. Dr. Madan Soni, they are also very rich as far as the IP is concerned. And 32 patents, I think 2, 3. You have been awarded 3? 3. Design, I mean, IRA, if you see the whole of the ICL system, IRA, IAHR and ILA, there are 3 leading institutions. Okay, next. Even one day IRA has got full patent. What kind of news happens? Huh? You see, IRA is very rich as far as this. Next. Some of the design which we have developed. Next. I am also part of this design. Next. Yes. Till now I have filed 5 patents. One has been already granted. 4 are filed 5 designs. Now 4 have been registered now. 4 mobile apps. And I have been associated with technical transfer of PPR, good parts, feed formulation very recently. And in charge item I have done more than 10 years. Everybody might be knowing. Okay. So thank you. Next. These are the, you see, IP India is a very good website. You go and see, it is there, I am sure. It is there. I did diploma. After doing that diploma, I make myself more resourceful. And when I joined that, everybody was young. I was afraid. But because they realized my, because I was having that knowledge and skill, but I was not having any degree diploma. So I cleared that diploma with distinction. I was a topper in that particular batch. But that was not an issue. I have learned so many things. And others have also learned so many things. So those amongst you, those who want to invest their knowledge, they should have something extra. Okay? Next. ठीक है, ये हमारी पॉलिसी है. This is the next. So this is the government policy. Make in India, creative India, innovative India, digital India, smart city, skill India. It's all very much required. Actually, we have a very old civilization. Everything was there, but we have not realized the potential of it. अभी एक ग्रास रूट इनोवेशन आता है. मैं आप लोगों को नहीं कभी किसी और ट्रेनिंग में ग्रास रूट इनोवेशन बोली. I will take a lecture on grass root innovation. You will mesmerize. You will be, sir, ये भी ऐसा होता है. But this was very general type of lecture. I tried to yes. Somebody was asking. You see, how much you receive? How for that? बाप बड़ा ना भैया, सबसे बड़ा रुपया. जितना IP उतना पैसा. You can have that picture. US, Japan, UK, these are the leading countries. They are having n number of the IPs. That's what they are getting. Huge money for those. Next. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to interact with you all.